Shandong JIERUI Machinery Equipment Co., Ltd. Latest research and development of portable sawmill. New linear guide raw design for saw-measure lifting and lowering. With stainless steel ruler, exclusive patented chain wheel and chain lifting, equipped with a reducer to achieve mechanical self-locking, professional sawdust discharge outlet, simple saw blade tensioning wrench, can be safely stopped at any position, height adjustable lock stopper, simple lock clamping, portable saw blade guide, equipped with an electric starting gasoline engine. Portable sawmill you deserve.